Hey guys, I want to talk about the notable workouts, and I want to talk about including those notable workouts in the programming. So let's talk about that. Every month, well, let's backtrack. Every month, we receive a template that has regular programming and that has our notable workouts. Notable workouts are important because we want to post those on social media. If we post those on social media, it will invite other CrossFitters to come to the gym. So, basically what we get is, you have access to this document here. Only problem is, with this document from PRs All Day, which is where we get our programming from, we get this very late towards the end of the month. It's a little bit too late for us to get our thing going. So what it is that you're going to have to know how to identify what these are. It's very simple. When you're in SugarWOD, uh, here we go. When you're in SugarWOD, it's going to list all of the Metcons. All the Metcons are going to list, but you can tell which is which because it lists the name. Filthy 50, Fight Gone Bad, Friend. Historically, CrossFit, uses the names of fallen soldiers that have sacrificed themselves to make our country a better place. And then, that's where you get the names Fran and Ann and different things like that. But some of the more stable pieces, Filthy 50, Fight Gone Bad, whenever you see a name in SugarWOD, that is usually one of our notables. And Filthy 50, Fight Gone Bad, and Fran, we pulled it. And when you pull it, there you go. Five Gone Bad, 50, 50, and Fran. Those are our three notable workouts. Again, purpose of the notable workouts is we want to put that on social media to highlight big workouts so we can invite our clients and different competitors and stuff to come to the gym. Now, with that being said, we are given this. I don't like this. It needs to be organized on a particular day like this. So, for example, Filthy 50s on a Tuesday, right? Filthy 50s on a Tuesday, but when we rearrange this, our clings are on that Tuesday. We need to change that. So ideally, you're just gonna be a coach. You're gonna be a programmer. If I know that the Filthy 50, where that is toward the end of the month, Filthy 50 involves box jumps, jumping pull-ups, kettlebell swings, lunges. One round. Decently or moderate volume, one round of everything, just 50 of everything. And I got total body involved. I don't want to do anything that's maybe double total body. So, basically they have this thing going on Tuesday, 21st after a front squat. We decided to put it on Wednesday. I think that's a good fit. The day before I have clings, right? And the day after, I'm working on handstand push-ups. So my big heavy lifting days are are before. My front squat and my cleans are before this Filthy 50. And then when I scroll down, I just got a row, single arm strict press, and 5 to 8 strict pull-ups. So that workout or Tuesday's workout is not gonna is not another total body massacre or a chipper like the Filthy 50 is. And because of that, I think that's a good placement for it. So again, they give us this. We don't like this. We want our clients to be able to come on a particular day and be ready for a particular movement. So because they give us that, we rearrange it to particular days. Everybody knows that front squats Monday, cleans are Tuesday, and then Thursday we have our gymnastic skill. And because of that, we have to arrange these notable WODs. So remember, notable WODs always go in. You need to rearrange and get it done, and then an email needs to be sent that it works. So that's the purpose of this video, getting the notable workouts in so it can get to our marketing team and we can highlight the fact that we have really cool benchmark workouts that we can invite either more current clients or other competitors. Thank you. Have a good day.